Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make a chocolate pudding pie, and we're going to be cooking the pudding on the stove, or you can put it in the microwave if you like, but today I'm going to show you how to cook it on the stove. And we're going to be using a chocolate graham cracker crust, okay? And we're going to be putting that in the oven for a few minutes just to heat up so it can form together with itself, okay? Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Great. 1 second. Okay, so what we're going to be working with is pudding and pie filling. So we're using chocolate pudding and pie filling. So I have 2 boxes that we're working with, okay? 2, right? Okay, so now we're going to follow the recipe that tells you how to cook it on the stove. So it's calling for 3 3/4 cups of milk. So I already have the 2 boxes of pudding in this pot here, okay? And now we're going to add 3 3/4 cups of milk. Okay, and this is my milk. This is shelf milk, alright? One cup. This is a 1 cup measure I'm using. 2 cups. 3 cups. And now I need 3/4. So 3/4 of a cup is about right to here. Okay, and if you're not sure, you can use a 1/4 cup measurer. Well, why don't I get that and show you the right way. If I can find it. Okay, I have it. So 3/4 is 3 times a 1/4 cup measure. Okay, so 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, so now I'm using a whisk. We're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna cook it, stirring it constantly. Okay. Like, don't go and watch TV because it'll burn. So we're going to cook this on a medium heat. So I have a gas stove. So my medium heat would be about a 6. Between a 6 and a 5 is okay. Okay, so while that's cooking, here's our graham cracker chocolate crust, right? So we're going to open this up. You just spread this aluminum pot up like this all the way around, and then take the plastic out that's in the middle. Okay, now I can take that out. You see that? Now you're going to push this aluminum pot that you moved up back down. All the way around. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't put too much pressure or you'll break the graham cracker crust. Okay, so we have that down all the way around. Now we're going to put this in the oven for, I would say, I already have my oven heating up on 350. So we're going to put it in, I would say, about maybe 5 minutes. Okay? Alright. Let's put it in. So I put it in the oven. Meanwhile, remember, you got to stir this constantly. So don't go too far. Okay, so while I'm waiting on our pudding to cook, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, it's summertime, right? Now, please don't let the summer go out without you enjoying some of the things that you would do in the summer, because that's what the summer weather is all about, right? You're going out, maybe you go sit by a lake, or you go fishing, or you go to the beach, or you go to the park, you go to the neighborhood swimming pools or sprinklers, right? You can have a picnic out in the yard. Do something fun so that you remember the summer. Don't let it just go by and you don't take some time out to enjoy the weather. We don't have it all year long, so it's good to just enjoy it, okay? All right, enjoy the summer. That's the word of the day. Okay, so I'm going to continue cooking the pudding, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys, it's getting thick. I just want you to know I did have the top on it for about the first 5 minutes since I left you. Okay, and I did take it and stir it about 2 or 3 times in between. It is definitely getting thick. Really thick. I want to show you. See that? See how it's coating the spoon? And it's boiling. Bubbles are popping up. So once you see the bubbles popping up, you want to cook it for another 5 minutes. And then that'll be done. And the pie crust is out of the oven. We cooked it in the oven for 350 for 5 minutes, alright? It should be thick like mashed potatoes, okay? That's the consistency you're looking for. Now you see I'm stirring it constantly, because if I don't, it can burn on the bottom, and you don't want that. You don't want it to taste scorched. Now also you can use this as regular pudding. You just put it in little dishes and put it in the refrigerator, and you have chocolate pudding. How about that? Okay, I'm going to call this done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off the fire, and I'm just going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to put it in my pie shell, okay? So at that point, I'll be back to show you, okay? So we're going to let that cool down for about 30 minutes. Thanks. Well, hello there. So we're back. It's been over 4 hours that the chocolate pie mix, which I made out of pudding mix, have been in the refrigerator. And also I made 4 small containers of chocolate pudding. Okay, 4 of these. So here's the end results after the pie have came out the refrigerator. Okay, so now we're going to put the whipped cream on the top. Okay, so we're going to pick up there. Alright, 1 second. Okay, so I have here some whipping topping, okay? And I bought it for 99 cents at the grocery store. Okay, so we're just gonna put this topping on top of the pie. First I wanna put 1 scoop in each cup of pudding. And I'll let you see that. Okay, so here's our topping in the container with the pudding on the bottom. I'm just going to spread it around so that all of it gets the chocolate pudding. If you need more, by all means get more. There we go. And let me show you that. Let me clean off my edge. And that's what we're looking like. How about that, huh? So we're going to do that to the other 3. That's the second one. The third one. And the 4th one. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to do the pie. Just going to put you some large amounts here and there. And then sort of just push towards the edge of the pan. Try not to affect the crumbs on the side if you can. That may be possible and it may not be. Okay, we're doing good. Okay, now after you get all your edges, the excess you just want to now decorate. Just swirl it around, you know, so it looks pretty. And there we go. Chocolate whipped cream pie. How about that, huh? And chocolate pudding. Okay, so let me give you a breakdown how cheap that was. The graham cracker chocolate pie crust was $2. The chocolate pudding mix was $2 for $1, that's $3. And the whipped cream was 99 cents, we'll call that $1. So that's $4. So for $4, we made one chocolate whipped cream pie and 4 cups of pudding. You cannot beat that. That's really, really cheap. Okay, all right, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is smile. Smile. It makes you shine. It can make someone else smile. It can represent joy in your heart, soul, and life, right? So smiling is good. I'll tell you what's not good. Frowning. That's not good. That doesn't make you happy or no one else happy. So even when you're going through your times of needs, trouble, worrisome problems, try to keep a smile on your face, because that might bring you through. If not, in reality, in your mind, it helps you still have a positive tone to life. Okay? Alright, if you like the video, please hit the like button. That would be appreciative. If this is your first time on my channel, I welcome you. And until next time, I love you. Bye-bye. Hit the like button.